Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to activate the Microsoft Azure Student Plan. First, open any web browser on your computer and go to the official Microsoft Azure website. When the page loads, look for a button that says Activate Now or Start Free. Click on that button to begin the process. You will now be asked to sign in. Use your personal Microsoft account to sign in. This can be an Outlook, Hotmail, or Live account. If you do not have one, you can create a new Microsoft account by following the on-screen steps. Use an email address that you can easily access. After signing in, Microsoft will ask you to verify that you are a student. You will need to enter some details such as your country and your school or university email address. This email usually ends with something like .edu or your school's domain name. Microsoft will then send a verification message to your school email or sometimes a code to your phone. Open that email or message and click the verification link or enter the code to confirm your student status. Once verified, you will be asked to accept the terms and conditions. Read through them and accept to continue. After this step, your Azure for Students subscription will be activated, and you will receive $100 in free Azure credit. Finally, go to portal.azure.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. You can now start using Azure services, create resources, and learn cloud skills with your student plan. Thanks for watching.